The Tangenvika project was a major challenge for Keller Geoteknikk, which holds a great significance for Norway's railway infrastructure. It entails building the foundation for Norway's longest railway bridge, situated over Mjøsa Lake. The foundation consists of two types of piles, drilled and driven. For the project's construction, total of 7,000 tons of steel were used. In order to meet the strict steel quality requirements of composite piles, all piles were welded on land in a controlled environment and then transferred on water. The next phase included the pitching procedure, carried out directly from the lake's surface, a task with numerous engineering and safety challenges. Afterwards, the pile was placed onto the leader device, which had been customized for the needs of the project. Once the pile was secured in the gates of the leader, the hammer was mounted on top of the pile and driving process commenced. In total, 52 driven piles were installed on Tangenvika project, with a maximum pile length of 85 meters and weight of 102 tons. To eliminate the risk of underwater landslides and to ensure the proper embedment of the piles into the bedrock, Keller installed 78 drilled piles with a maximum length of 67 meters and weight of 70 tons. The pitching procedure was carried out directly from the transport pontoons, using a rotation mechanism designed specifically for the project, which combined with the coordinated movements of the crane and the tugboat provided safe lifting procedure. The installation of the drilling rods was a crucial part of the pile installation, involving the connection of the rods at heights of up to 30 meters above the lake's surface. The concrete casting was carried out after cofferdams were installed and pumped out of water. To prevent concrete from mixing with water, a tremie system was used, allowing the concrete to flow directly into the bottom of the piles. Tangenvika was a complex project that had to take into account several external factors, such as ground conditions including sensitive soils and environmental factors. Keller is proud of the installed drilled and driven piles, which will provide long-standing support for the yet-to-be the longest railway bridge in Norway.